Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. 6 best workouts to lose belly fat for beginners. Are you new to workout or have done some workouts in the past but did not get the result you were looking to achieve? Whether you are a pro or just a newbie looking for the best workout routines do help you lose belly fat faster, we have some answers for you. Now here are the 6 best workouts for the quickest being easiest way to get in shape fast. However, you should be persistent and consistent for these to work for you. Do all 6 together in a sequence each time you do workout to achieve maximum results. 1. Plank. Holding a plank position is great for toning up your abdominal muscles. Place the hands directly under the shoulders like you're about to do a push-up. Push the toes into the ground and tighten the glutes as much as possible to stabilize the body. Hold this position for 30 seconds for a more difficult plank. Lift the right leg and left hand or vice versa and hold for 30 seconds to bicycle crunches. Lie down and press your back into the floor with your head and shoulders slightly raised. Place your hands gently behind your head. Lift your right leg and extend its strength while bending the left knee and bringing it to your chest. Repeat 7 times on each leg. Bicycle crunches is great for toning up your abdominal muscles. 3. Russian twists. Lie down on the floor with your knees slightly bent. It can be useful to use something to hold your feet down or have your partner hold them. Your arms should be fully extended in front of your face with your fists closed. Rotate your torso to the right and hold for 3 seconds. Return to the starting position and rotate to the left. Repeat 7 times on each side for push-ups. Position yourself face down on the floor with your legs together. Your palms should be on the floor shoulder width apart with your elbows pointing towards your toes. Push your toes into the ground with the balls of your feet touching the ground. Raise your hands up creating a plank position and then lower your torso back down until your elbows reach a 90-degree angle. 5. Reverse crunch. Lie on the floor and raise the legs so they're extended upward directly over your hips. Place your palms down at your sides. Tighten your abdominals and use your lower abdominal muscles to lift your hips off the floor, pulling them toward the ribcage. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then lower your hips and legs back down. 6. Mountain climber. Starting in a strong plank position is the key to completing a good mountain climber. Once you are in a plank position, pull your right knee into your chest and swap with the left as quickly as possible. Repeat this for 1 minute. Doing any of these exercise routines alone is a good abdominal workout as it is, but combining all 6 will pack up punch to your belly fat. And remember, you must be consistent and persistent. Good luck. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon. When you subscribe, old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications